YouTube. Good ride. Great chill.
Are we keeping up with
You know,
if we had good skills, we wouldn't be afraid.
the single speed life station.
Yeah, bro. Hey, you got that 25 miler on that, dude. I think I'm going. Alright, here comes that hairpin turn. Hard left, everybody. Hard left. Gotta grip it a bit there.
Didn't want to take the log. I think that log there is the easiest log to ride to get better at because it's flat and it's pretty wide.
Now, I know there's the one up
Well,
rounded on top, right?
yeah, it's because it's kind of washed out at the top. Looks like the wood's kind of broken off.
Yeah.
But also, like, if you fall down, it's like a foot drop. Where this one, it's only a couple inches. So it's good. It's good practice. Man, I forgot how fun this trail is. Oh, shoot. Didn't see that rock there. Yeah, because this should all be like cut out, kind of how that little skinny part is here.
Yeah.
But you can't even ride this anymore. For you guys who come out here when it's dry, this is awesome little, man, it's even slick trying to walk on it. This is an awesome boardwalk here through the woods. It's easy to miss, especially now with all the overgrown brush, but kind of comes around, goes up here to the left, but even so, kind of loops off to the right. Wow, this is really overgrown. Let's see if I can.
In there, and you know how when you fall asleep on your arm, you wake up and it's not pins and needles, it's just like.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just finished up another Saturday morning ride with the Connect group from the local church here, with Josh and Michael leading out. We had some new guys out today. It was great just kind of connecting again with the community, as you saw from last week's video. You know, today we hit the TNT and Logarithm Trail with the Connect group. Beforehand, Josh, Michael, and I, we ran through the Atlas Trail. So we got a good close to 10 miles in today, and not too bad. We had some stops kind of towards the end, but all in all, it was a good ride. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any trails that you guys have in mind or know of in the area that are awesome to check out, leave those in the comments so I can check it out and hopefully get a ride out there. And if you guys are available, I'd love to ride those trails with you. So make sure you add those in the comments so maybe we can get connected. And if you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe so we can follow along.